Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing these drip nails, and I'll also be testing out this Mia Secret Resin and Activator spray. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Cheraelsymone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The products I'll be using today are Mia Secret Nail Resin and Activator Spray, and I'll also be using Mia Secret Acrylic Powder as dipping powder. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Cherael bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol. They both do the same thing. Now, starting on the index finger, I apply Mia Secret Nail Resin and then I dip into the acrylic powder. Acrylic powder and dip powder are the same thing, however, dip powder can sometimes be finer than acrylic powder. This Mia Secret beige acrylic powder is very finely milled and it is really pretty. I love the shimmer in it. So I apply as much layers as I need to build the nail. Then I check to see if an apex is being made, and then I build further so that I can build my apex. So I just apply more layers to build the apex. It doesn't have to be neat, so you can start applying another layer, just a thin strip down the center of the nail if you want, because we have to file these nails, so it really doesn't have to be neat. I honestly wasn't expecting the acrylic to create so many folds in the nail when it was applied. That was a new experience for me. I have never really experienced this amount of folds in a nail. Usually I get one ever so often, but look at that. And I was applying thin layers of nail resin, but it still occurred. However, it needs to be filed, so I really didn't make anything of it. I just thought I'd mention it. A lot of you were asking me to film a video of myself filing my nails, so my plan prior to this was to show myself filing these nails, because I prefer to show myself filing plain nails as opposed to nails with color, just to eliminate distractions. I wasn't expecting it to come out like this, you know, with all those folds and thing in the nail, but this should make the video a little better because it will show a drastic transformation. So stay tuned for that video. So I just continue building my nails, and don't worry, this is the last one I'll be showing you. I don't want to bore you guys. When I was completed, I sprayed the activator on my nails. I did it twice, and this activator smells really bad. So I washed my hands afterwards and waited a while and then began filing. So this is after filing of the nails. And now I apply my sunscreen because I will be in the lamp a little more than usual, a lot more actually. Now I apply some Model 1's matte gel polish to my nails, and then I cured for 30 seconds. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. So these are the gel polishes I'll be using to create my drip nails. They are all from Model 1's. Now I apply some of the gel polish to a piece of paper for easier access when I'm doing my drip nails. Now I did 4 of the nails off camera, and left one to do on camera. I left my favorite color, of course, and my favorite nail to do it on because it's wide but not too wide. It's close enough so that I could see what I'm doing, because when it comes to the ring finger and the pinky nail, I really can't see what I'm doing when I'm trying to be in frame. So yes, it's my favorite nail to do. So I'm just starting by placing the polish on the area where I want it to be, and then using a detail brush, I just apply 4 lines or any amount you want to apply going down the nail, and then I connect them at different levels because I wanted it to look a little more realistic. So I'm just connecting it, as you see here, at different levels, right? And then I'm filling in the spaces. Then I use my dotting tool to apply some dots at the end of the lines and some on the nail itself. Then I cured for 30 seconds and then I did another layer, so I traced over this design, which was very tedious to do. Oh my goodness. So in total I did 2 layers each on each nail. Well, actually it's 3 layers because I did go over them again with top coat. Now I apply top coat to a piece of paper for easier access. Then I top coated the gel polish area alone. Be careful when doing it because the matte area needs to stay matte. So I just trace over the colored area, and I didn't really have a steady hand for all of the nails, so the ones that I went off the lines with, I just went over those with some matte top coat again, and I cured for 30 seconds each time. I hope I explained that correctly. I really meant I placed some matte top coat in the areas where it's supposed to be matte, but you could still see a little bit of shine, you know, like in the drip area, you know, in between there. It's supposed to be matte, but when I was doing it, my hands weren't that steady, so you know, a little bit went in those areas. So I just placed some matte top coat in between there again, and you know, cured it for 30 seconds. I hope I explained it correctly this time. When the nails cool down, I applied some cuticle oil. So, if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!